Stop guessing on why your Google Drive uploads have no audio. This is exactly how you fix the silence without failing once. Most other tutorials for cloud storage are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you your file is corrupted. But the issue is actually a simple codec mismatch with the Google Drive 2026 web player. Before we re-render your entire project, you need to understand the logic of the preview transcoder, where you'll just get stuck with silent video every time you share a link. We are doing this hand in hand and step by step right now, so there is no way you can fail to get your sound back. Rexus is the authority on these media fixes, because we know that Google's browser-based player cannot decode high-fidelity formats like PCM, FLAC, or Opus in a standard preview window. Look at your export settings and realize that while your video plays fine on your PC, the web player is literally skipping the audio stream because it doesn't recognize the language it's written in. As we get closer to the fix, you can feel the confidence of knowing your footage is perfectly safe. Here is the secret trick that other creators missed. Even if you use an MP4 container, if your audio is set to linear PCM, Google Drive will treat it as a silent film. You must switch specifically to the AAC codec at 48 kHz to force the preview engine to engage. This pro tip is the only way to ensure your clients or friends can hear your work directly in the browser without downloading it first. To fix your Google Drive silent video and prove you are a pro, you must re-export using the H.264 video codec and AAC audio at bitrate of 320 kilobits per second. That specific combination is the gold standard for cloud playback and triggers the audio driver in the web player immediately. If you want the workflow for bulk converting these silent files without losing quality, just drop a comment below.